So you've got a great camera, you found a beautiful subject, a stunning landscape, you take the shot, but when you get home and pull it up on your computer, it just feels flat, boring. That feeling is one of the biggest frustrations in photography. But listen, it's not your fault. In this video, I'm going to give you a simple 5-second habit that will instantly make your compositions more dynamic. Let's fix this. What is this big mistake? It's something I call subject fixation. It's when you get so focused on the one thing you want to photograph that you go completely blind to everything else in the shot. Your brain tunnel visions, but your camera sees everything. Think of your camera's frame like a stage. Your subject is the star of the show, and everything else is the set dressing. If there's a misplaced prop, it shatters the illusion. The answer is a totally game-changing habit: edge scanning. Edge scanning is just deliberately forcing your eyes away from your subject and tracing the 4 outer edges of your viewfinder before you take the picture. Top, right side, bottom, left side. The solution to a cluttered edge is almost never to zoom in. The real solution is to zoom with your feet. Find your subject, do your edge scan, then move your body to fix the distractions. Take 2 big steps to your left. Get lower to the ground. Once this becomes second nature, you can take it to the next level, pre-visualization. Form a rectangle with your thumbs and index fingers and hold it up to the scene. See what happens at the edges as different things enter and leave the shot. Here's my challenge to you. On your very next shoot, for every photo you plan to take 2. Take the first one however you normally would. Then, do a deliberate edge scan, physically move to eliminate a distraction, and take the second. I guarantee you will see a huge difference. If this was helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more tips that go beyond the tech. Now go out there and start looking at your edges. For a deep dive into the exposure triangle, download Chapter 2 of my book, Mastering Aperture, Shutter Speed, ISO, and Exposure, for free the link is in the description. Learn more about my books at my website books page, all-judge-photography.com/my-books. Let's keep it simple.